In this video, we'll show you how to quickly organize your work using checklists in Planfix. When a task feels too large, it's often helpful to break it down into smaller steps. To do this in Planfix, open the All Checklist Items section in a task, then select Add a new item. Pay attention to the suggestions that appear as you type. They can make filling out your checklist much faster. Use subitems to create a more complex structure if needed. If you already have a list of work stages, you can simply paste the entire list into the checklist. When you press Enter, Planfix will automatically turn each line into a separate checklist item. Any checklist item can also be converted into a task. When you do so, it will automatically become a subtask of the current task. You can find it in the panel on the right, under the Subtasks tab. The new subtask will retain all checklist items previously added beneath that item. When you want to return to the parent task, simply use the link in the top panel. Tracking progress is easy no matter which window you are working in. Just check off each item as you complete the work. With Planfix checklists, even the largest tasks become easier to manage and faster to complete.